In the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful. Dear students, my heartfelt loves and salutations to you. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome all of you to online class. Dear students, hope that you are very well. I am well too. Now I am going to start with online class on English grammar and composition for class 9 and 10. Dear students, today our lesson's topic is conditional sentence part 2. A conditional sentence that mentions condition is called conditional sentence. There are 4 types of conditional sentence: zero conditional, first conditional, second conditional, third conditional. Dear students, last class I discussed with you zero conditional sentence. Today I am going to discuss with you first conditional sentence. Okay, dear students, very attentively at to online class and follow me. Look at the whiteboard. Listen to me attentively what I say. A conditional sentence usually have 2 clauses: subordinate clause or principal clause and principal clause. A conditional sentence have 2 clauses. One is called subordinate clause and other is called principal clause. Okay, dear students, look at the whiteboard. Our topic is first conditional sentence. Let's start. A conditional sentence, 2 clause or if clause or subordinate clause and main clause. Subordinate clause can be also called if clause. Main clause we also know principal clause. If clause we also know subordinate clause or dependent clause. If clause express condition, on the other hand main clause express result. If clause or subordinate clause express condition, main clause to express result. First conditional sentence, dear students, first conditional sentence other's name is real conditional sentence. Real conditional sentence. First conditional sentence refers to a situation that is possible or realistic. Now, dear students, look at the structure. First conditional sentence can be starts subordinate clause and principal clause. Again, first conditional sentence also starts at first main clause and then subordinate clause. First conditional sentence actually express the real condition. So by following the structure, if oblique unless, present simple, main clause, future simple or imperative sentence. Subordinate clause starts usually with if or unless, then present indefinite tense or present simple, and main clause will be future simple, many times maybe imperative sentence. By following some example, dear students, we can learn our lessons. First conditional sentence and its use. Okay, dear students, follow me what I say. If you run in the rain, if you run in the rain, if you run in the rain, you will be sick. Next sentence follow. If you come late, you will miss the train. If you want to shine in life, work hard. Unless you are honest, nobody will respect you. Dear students, the clause is here subordinate clause, and this clause starts with if. According to structure, we can see that the sentence starts with if and the clause is subordinate clause and express the condition. If you run in the rain, express the condition. And next condition, express result. That means main clause. You will be sick. Condition and that result. If you run in the rain, you will be sick. Next sentence, if you come late, it is subordinate clause and express condition, starts with if, it is main clause. You will miss the train. If you come late, condition, if you come late, you will miss the train. If you want to shine in life, condition, it is subordinate clause starts with if. According to structure, three sentence is present simple. Subordinate clause is present simple, and according to structure, main clause is future simple. Above two sentence. If you want to shine in life, work hard. This sentence main clause but starts imperative sentence. According to structure, we can see that main clause maybe starts future simple or imperative sentence. So in the sentence, main clause starts imperative sentence. If you want to shine in life, if you want to shine in life, work hard. Imperative sentence, main clause, and express result. Condition, if you want to shine in life. Next sentence follow, dear students. Unless you are honest, nobody will respect you. Subordinate clause again starts with unless. Subordinate clause starts with unless. Unless you are honest, unless you are honest, condition. Unless you are honest, nobody, result, nobody will respect you. Future simple or future tense. Unless, according to structure, you can see that the sentence or subordinate clause starts with unless. Unless you are honest, nobody will respect you. Here, condition express unless you are honest. Followable or the result, nobody will respect you. Dear students, hope that you have understood today's class about first conditional sentence. Now, dear students, take your notebook and write home task. Home task for you. What you will do at home. Okay, dear students. Okay, dear student, home task. If you come if I meet him, if I meet him, if you invite me, if you invite me. Okay, dear students, you are given subordinate clause, home task. You will fill the gap with main clause. Dear students, conditional sentence is very important for completing sentence. Okay, dear students, by giving home task, you are given in completing sentence with subordinate clause. You will complete it with main clause. Okay, dear students, no more today. May Allah keep everyone well and healthy. See you in the next class. Goodbye.